present for Father's Day.
Better late than never, right? Rip it, Daddy, rip it.
You said it was delicate.
No, it's alright. I'm saying to eat. He's the one who's gonna, you know, he's going to do it.
I guess you got it.
I think I got it.
Got it.
Yeah, that's for you.
Thank you.
He choose that, Dad. He choose it for you.
That looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
I guess this goes on there
Yeah,
somehow.
you have just to put it on top, I think, and then turn it on, and then connect it. There's a remote control, I think, and also
Oh,
charger.
looks like a speaker.
Yep, that's Bluetooth, I think. Let's try turn it on. It's actually like, look
Wow.
at that,
Bluetooth
Daddy.
mode.
And he said, "I love you, Adja." So he said he wants to put that there, and he chose the picture too.
That's pretty cool.
Isn't that cool, Dad? Isn't that cool? Right, Georgie? Look, it changes color too. And it will like going like that.
Oscillate,
Yeah.
rotate.
Rotate. Yeah, it will rotate.